Alexa TV presents in 3, 2, 1. Dateline Schools with your host, Terry Harrington.
All this week on Dateline Schools, we're visiting the Community Mental Health Building and learning more about the Community Resource Fair. That's one of the events that CMH helps to coordinate in our community. And tell us all about it from CMH, my guest is Amy Smith. And Amy, this is the 6th annual, so obviously it's still a relatively young event. So how did this get started? What made you guys decide to do this?
Well, through the Housing and Support Services Work Group under the Community Service Coordinating Body, we were given this opportunity to kind of model after the national initiative Project Homeless Connect. And so our work group looked at it and we thought, we don't want to just focus on people who are homeless. We want to focus on people who are really struggling. So approximately 8 years ago, we pulled together an event that was actually held at Salvation Army. And at that point, we had about 300 people and about 40 vendors, and we were packed. So we decided that this was a good event. We wanted to make it bigger, and it took us almost 2 years to actually secure a location that was big enough and would hold the number of people that we had expected. So we had a 2-year delay, and we moved it over to the community college, and it's been there ever since.
It's got to be kind of neat for you to see all the agencies and the organizers and all that come together just to put on an event for the community like this.
It is. It's very fulfilling. It's a lot of work, I'm not going to lie, but it's very rewarding because we're at the point now where vendors are contacting us and saying, when is the event? Or when we were at the Women's Expo a couple weeks ago, and people were asking, when is that event going to be? You know, so people in the community are looking forward to participating, attending, supporting, and it's very satisfying.
It's pretty good that you've been able to create an event that there's a lot of anticipation and expectations for now.
Exactly. I mean, we have a huge committee. It's not just us or Community Mental Health. We have approximately 90 vendors throughout the entire event, anything from law enforcement to other human services to education to transportation, child care. I mean, you name it, we have the gamut, and they're just people come and spend the day from 10 to 3.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.